All right, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a self-hosted video using the embed code of Viddy Player. As you know, Viddy Player is a WordPress plugin, but it also comes with embed code so that you can put it on static HTML sites or PHP sites just like this. This is a web page and it's a static HTML page. And so I'm going to go to my Viddy Player and I'm going to go to the WordPress dashboard. I'm going to create a new video, and I just called it self-hosted test here. We'll just call it test. And I've selected self-host, and it works the same for YouTube and Vimeo. But I'm just going to show you the self-hosted one. I put in my MP4. It's an Apple X video. I put it in the MP4 URL. I put a backup flash there as well. Normally I'd put a splash image, but I don't have time. I'm just going to do this quickly, so I'm not going to create one for that. So I'm going to come back below. I'm going to set the width to 910. Now this is the height is automatically calculated based on the ratio that you select. Okay. So this is I'm going to use the minimal skin, and I'm going to have enable the preload. I like to have the preload. I'm not going to have any shadow or border on it. I'm going to have autoplay selected on, and the video is going to be centered. Okay, and that's it. So I'm going to come there and I'm going to click on update. Now when you click on update, if you scroll down below, you'll see that there's two there's two codes. Okay, now I'm going to put this on markdelise.com. So that's my website. I'm going to put it on markdelise.com. You'll see that right there. Okay, and so inside here you'll see it says for removing the Flow Player logo, put the domain where it's going to go on. So you do not include HTTP. Do not include any subfolders. Just put the root domain, and that's all you got to put, just like that. All right. And so you want to grab the embed script and the embed code. The script goes in this top section goes in the header, in the head section of your page. So I'm going to grab this code. It automatically highlights it. I'm going to copy, and I'm going to open up my Dreamweaver. I have Dreamweaver opened up here, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to view code. I'm going to split the screen so that you can see the code and the design. So if you go to the top of the code here, you'll see that says head. It goes in the head section. Okay, anywhere in here. But I'm going to put it on the bottom of the head section. And there's the bottom. See, there's the end tag. So I'm going to put my cursor right there. I'm just going to paste it right there. Okay, so that's the first one. All right, so we're all done with that. I'm going to come back to the player here. Oh, there it is right there. And it says embed code. Now this is where you want to put the player. Okay, paste where you want to show your videos. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come back to my Dreamweaver, and I'm going to put it obviously underneath here somewhere. So I'm going to, it says there's a page there. So let me just show you this here. So that's the actual page that's going to go on. So I want to put it underneath this banner here. All right. So open up my Dreamweaver, and there's some. I'm going to put it right underneath this div right there. Okay. So I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to paste it right there. Okay, there. All right, so it is centered. So I'm going to save this. So this is an HTML file. I'm going to go to my FTP software, and this is my hard drive over here. This is my server over here. Okay, and so I'm just going to click. I'm going to take that HTML, that index HTML page. I'm going to drag it to my server, and you can see that I have it on a subfolder called Viddy Player / self-hosted embed. All right, that's the name of the folder. So you'll see up above, if I go right here, let me just come up above, that's the URL right there. Okay, same URL. So I'm going to refresh.
The see that? 10 described our vision.
And you can probably hear the video in the background.
Future of the
I can speed it up. There we go.
Smartphone.
Isn't that beautiful?
Face ID